Hello everyone and welcome to this video, and of course thank you very much for watching this video. We have come up with something new at Quadira, creating video content. Of course not entirely new in the market, but most definitely new for Quadira. Tips and tricks by Quadira, news updates for partners and customers, interviews with the founder and CEO at Quadira, or maybe some other employees, demos of our software and much more. These are examples of videos that we as Quadira are going to make for the world, for the audience. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to upload a new video every 2 weeks on our YouTube channel. So if you don't want to miss anything, I would most definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can submit questions and maybe some topics by sending an email to marketing@quadira.com, and what we will do, we will try to answer them in one of our videos. Any tips about creating videos are of course welcome. In any case, we really hope you're enjoying the videos and that you can learn something of the videos. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you soon on our YouTube channel.